All right. So let's look into this. Let's see what the SEC did. Let's pull it up. All right. Here we go. So I want you guys and girls to be aware of what you are. Now, this is not coming from me. This is not coming from something that I heard. Ladies and gentlemen, you can find this press release on the sec.gov. This was released on February 26th, last Thursday, I think that is. My math is not off. When's last week? I know it's last week. So right here, the title is The SEC Suspends Trading in Multiple Issuers Based on Social Media and Trading Activity. Based on what? Social media and trading activity. Doesn't this is the game plan of what we see with Reddit, right? What is Reddit became very popular for. What we've seen with people on social media, I even seen Facebook groups say, hey, let's get together and run this stock up. This letting you know right here. I want to let you know part of what they're saying. So right here, let's go from word. For immediate release, Washington, D.C., February 26, 2021. As part of its continuing effort to respond to potential attempts to exploit investors during recent market volatilities, the Security and Exchange Commission today suspended trading in the securities of 15 companies because of questionable trading and social media activity. Today's action follows the recent suspension of securities of numerous other issues, many which may have also been targets of apparent social media attempts to officially inflate their stock prices. So right here, they're saying, hey, people are trying to artificially inflate their stock prices, aka move the stock prices up. Everybody jump in, buy this at one time. The SEC continues to review market and trading data to identify other securities where the public interest and the protection of investors require trading suspensions, right? So they're looking to, so right here, they're telling you we're looking at social media and we're looking at the public interest and we're trying to find other places that they're looking to do this some more, right? They're looking to do this some more. This is not a one-time thing. They're saying, hey, we got our eye on this. We know this is happening and we're looking to do this some more, right? So right here, the SEC's recent suspension, of trading in nearly 24 securities, including 15 today, are one facet of our ongoing efforts. I should put my glasses on, huh? Let me blow this up a little bit. I'm in here, strain my eyes. Okay. And our ongoing, and it's okay, here we go. The SEC recently suspensions of trading in nearly 24 securities, including 15 today, are one facet of our ongoing effort to police the market and protect investors. They're policing the market and protecting the investors, says Ms. Melissa Hodgman, acting director of the SEC's Division of Enforcement. We are proactively, ladies and gentlemen, this is what the acting director of the SEC's Division of Enforcement says, quote unquote. Here we go. This is what she says. We are proactively monitoring for suspicious trading activity tied to stock promotions on social media and act quickly to stop that trading when appropriate to safeguard the public interest. We also remind investors to exercise caution and do their due diligence before investing generally, including companies that are promoted on social media. So this is the acting director of the SEC Division of Enforcement. They're telling you we are proactively monitoring for suspicious trading activities tied to stock promotions on social media. So you see all these people that say, hey, buy this stock right now. Everybody buy this CCBB, ABCDEFG. And some people will make money. Some people have made money, right? I know people who rob houses and make money. But then again, as soon as I get out there and say, you know what, man, y'all robbing the house, making a lot of money. Let me get over there too. As soon as you walk in there, knowing my luck, especially when I was a kid, as soon as I tried to follow everybody else, what end up happening to me every time? I get caught. My friend's been getting away for 10 years, but as soon as I do it one time, I get caught. Don't be the person to get caught with that. That's all I'm saying, right? So when you look at social media, they're telling you right here today. Now here it goes. They're going to break it down to the companies they suspended. Word for word, today's order states that trading has been suspended because of questions about recent increase in activity and volatility in the trading of these issuers, as well as the influence of certain social media accounts on the trading activity. The order also states that none of the issuers has filed any information with the SEC or OTC markets where the company securities are quoted for over a year. As a recent, as a result, the SEC suspended trading for the following securities. I'm going to just say the symbol because I can't pronounce all these companies. BBDA, Blue Shear, BLSP. I haven't heard none of these companies. EHOS, EVTI, um, AXCG, Green Energy Enterprises, GYOG, HL. So they named out all these companies. So they got a bunch of companies. Then they said the SEC also has recently ordered temporary suspending tradings on BNGI, UNGS, PDRP, APVX, All Grades Mineral, HY11, SECI. Each of these orders stated that the suspensions were due to at least part in questions whether social media accounts have been attempting to artificially increase companies' share prices. Each of these companies stated that suspensions were due to at least in part questions about whether social media accounts have been attempting to artificially increase company share prices. Under the federal securities law, the SEC can suspend trading in a stock for 10 days and generally prohibit a broker dealer from soliciting investors to buy or sell the stock until uncertain reports requirements are met. The SEC investors education, okay, whatever. All right. So right here, ladies and gentlemen, I want y'all to see that that is word for word coming from the SEC. This is word for word. So when people get out there and they say, hey, y'all, let's get together and let's buy, everybody put $10,000 in AMC or put $1,000 in AMC on Friday, and we're going to run up this little penny stock, and then we're going to short squeeze it. Then we're going to blah, blah, blah. Hey, that's fine. I'm not telling anybody what to do. That's not my job. I'm not the SEC. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to condone that. But understand what you're getting yourself into. The SEC just put out, hey, we can stop the trading for any company anytime we want to. So you got to be very, very mindful of that as you're walking out there trying to follow the hype and get in with this company. And I've seen some people do it. Kevin O'Leary, he spoke about it. He said, I have my robo investor, then I have my Reddick investor. He said, I got $10,000 in a Robinhood account, and whatever they say buy on Reddick, I just buy it and see what I can make, see what happens or whatever, right? So a lot of people are young, brand new to the world of investing, and investing is so accessible now. It's so cheap. Back when I started investing, it wasn't even that long ago. It was probably what, 2009, 2008, 2009. To buy a stock, it costs $10. To sell a stock, it costs $10. Now it's free. Every time you bought and sold, it was $10. Now it's free for your large, big companies, right? So you see now it's on your phone. It wasn't on your phone back then, but now it's on your phone. Anybody can do it. 5 days, you can turn around and do this and do that or whatever. You're good to go, right? What we are doing is knowing what you are up against, seeing the SEC shut down almost 25, 30 companies like that. Bam. Oh, hold on. I see people on, because I'm pretty sure the SEC, while you own that Reddit company, while you inside of Reddit on that group or YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, the SEC is tuning in too. They'll watch it. Then they're seeing all this volume go into this company. They see all these people running into this company. Then they can just say, hey, what? Boom, take that company off. And you don't want your money tied up into it. So know what you are up against, right? Especially for all my young people. I understand a lot of people are out of work. A lot of people are searching for ways to make money. Some people are unemployed right now, or income is hard to come by, or you at home wondering other ways to make money. It's okay to do whatever you do to make money. I'm just letting you know what are you up against, right? And that the SEC is watching and they're cracking down and they're suspending tradings they're pulling companies off of the market left and right, and they're hitting up brokers. So know what you're up against.